Hello, this is Car Tuning Setup in a new video about how to install Elsawin, the ultimate software for Volkswagen Group repair manuals and diagrams. Let's get started. First, open the downloaded folder from the description below. You can start with any brand you like. I started with Volkswagen. Double-click on it. Then open first folder setup CD_4.0 install SVG viewer. Run elsa_40_vol_setup. Then click Next. At the name and company fields you can put whatever you want. Then for serial number we need to copy any one of these. I picked up the first one. Click Next. Yes. Next. Now select your language. You can choose as many as you want. Then just keep pressing Next. Now it is asking for the activation. Copy the temporary code. Then open this compressed file. Paste your temporary code here and click on this button, then copy the final code and paste it at Elsa code request window. After setup is completed successfully, click Next and Finish. Now the hard part is done, we just need to continue installing the rest of the folders. Open the second folder and double-click on Elsa_41_update_setup. Just keep pressing Next as always. Just like the second one, we just run the setup and follow the steps. And now click on Finish. The system will be restarted. So see you after the restart. After PC is restarted, just continue installing the rest of the folders. Then install Elsa_52_update_setup. And the final step is to install the database from base 6. Open the folder and look for Setup. .exe. Right-click on it and run it as administrator. It will take some time, so be patient. After this setup is completed, you can either start using Elsawin with the only brand you installed or just keep importing the other databases, and for that you only need to install the setup from the last folder of each brand named base_4.2015. We will test the software after Audi's setup is completed, so wait for it. And now, after Audi is completed successfully, let's try our software now. It is on German language, let's change it now. Click on this button here and select Sparte, choose your favorite, and start using your software. So here is the software functionalities. You can select whatever you want. I will show you quick tips about it, starting with current flow diagrams. Select your brand, then the year. I will select my 2012 Golf 6 with motor code CAYC. Here we have all cars systems diagrams with detailed information. Let's start with engine control unit. You can move the diagram, zoom in and zoom out. This is a very comprehensive warrant diagram. It tells you all the colors location, fuse locations. If you look at the right side here, it will tell you exactly what they are and where they are. And if not sure, there is a little photo that you can click on to show you more. I hope you have benefited from my video. If it is the case, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Your support will help me to do more videos like this. This video was recorded by Team Car Tuning Setup. See you in the next video.